Man, we're going to Cars and Coffee this morning. It's like 8:45, 8:30. I don't even know. 8:39 to be exact. Man, sorry, I'm chewing on some work gum. Get my caffeine level up. I'm gonna stop at the gas station, then we'll go. Need to get some water, man. So let's get the day started. All right, y'all. So we made it out to Cars and Coffee this morning, or I'm sorry, Gears and Grind. I'll put their information here, so you guys can check it out. If you're local here in Vegas, they do it every other Sunday. I don't even know, man. To be honest, I just look at their Instagram, and then that's when I come in. But today, it actually Tony and Naomi. Look at them walking around. We woke them up early. About time you guys get wake up early.
We always up early. Tony's like an old man. He's up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
I wake up at 4:30.
Yeah.
He's just flexing. There you go, Zach. You should have just showed up with us today. You got a talent right there. I don't know if it's all-wheel drive or not. No, it doesn't look like it is. So maybe, I don't know. Oh, it's automatic. So, well, it's a talent. So, oh man, look at that. What a gang of PT Cruisers. I don't want to get beat up. So, one of my favorite cars, and then favorite trucks, Ford Lightnings. Let's check them out. All right, so this right here, so it is one of my favorite cars, but in the station wagon form. I'm not a fan of the 4 doors, I'm not gonna lie. I like the 2-door, it reminds me of a Batmobile, but I do love the station wagon. I'm a station wagon guy, what can I say? All right, so comment below, which one do you like the most? You can turn around. The newer body or the older body? If I had to pick, I'd probably go with the older body. So, you know, that's just my choice. So drop in the comments, let us know what you think. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Like I said, you want to stay tuned for that. You want to make sure you follow us on Instagram and you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. Those are 2 big keys, all right? Let's keep on walking around, keep the day going. Oh man, look at this bag Passat with the rotiforms. Oh man, what's right there? Oh, I got the Reflectionz Detail. Oh man, I wonder whose car that is. All right, y'all. So that was Cars and Coffee on today. What's today's date? So December 5th. Cars and Coffee. You're most likely seeing this on Monday. Alright, y'all, so I'm on my way to the toy drive that we're doing today, or that I'm doing today, and bring you guys along. But I feel like I need me another piece of work gum to get my my energy going. Sorry about that. But use discount code Jamie. No, I'm just kidding. I don't have a discount code, but this is good, man. Thank you, Callie. Turns around. I'll keep on driving. I'll make it safe. Alright, so we are at the Malthouse Motorworks toy drive that he does every year. Got a bunch of Euros coming here today. It's not about you, bro. This is about me. And we got Euro Tuesday, or Eurodaze over there putting his hat on. So, let me turn around. Yeah, you look funny.
Blacking out like headlights.
Alright, so this is Eurodaze, Rich.
What's up,
what's your Instagram?
Merry Christmas, happy holidays.
What's your Instagram? Turn around.
Oh, this
That one. Give him a follow. So there you guys have it if you're out here in Vegas or not. Bunch of Euros. So, let's go get some toys. Man, I'm totally one of those people. I personally don't like Walmart. But this is what we got. So now I gotta go get some toys. It's for the kids, man. What can I say? So let's go to the toy section. I don't know what these bleepy things are, but they're kind of cool. I got a few of them and a few of those. So far we got a little bit. See what else we can find. So I think we got enough toys for my end, and I know Robert's getting a bike, so make sure you give him a follow at Malthouse Motorworks. Alright, I don't know if I can be filming in here, but everybody's giving me a weird look. But I got a bunch of toys for the kids, and I know my friend Robert's also getting some toys and some bikes. He supports the shop all the time, so we're gonna support him. So let's see how much all this comes out to be. Okay, I just started grabbing stuff, so. Alright, so if you wanted to know if the locks on the carts worked, yeah, they work. They're locked up on us, looking outside of we're just coming next door to Lowe's. But got a bunch of stuff. It's about, another receipt, my back pocket. So, alright, let's keep on going. Oh man, look at that.
In 2 weeks?
Got the
It's in full lit mode. I have no turbo boost at all.
So we are at the KLUC Toy Drive, and as you can see, there's a line of cars going all the way down. I think it's all the way down to Jones. I had to speed up here and get over here legally, but let's see who else comes in. Yo, you guys saw all these cars, and it's still not even the end right here. We're still going all the way to the stoplight. So let me finish, let me just get the last car, which I know it's the Malthouse ones. So let's get this going. Now I gotta go find my car, because I had a friend move my car. So I don't know where he parked it. Oh, I see it. So let's go get the toys. Got a bag of toys, or 3 bags of toys. It's like $100 or something, which is crazy. Like, man, when toys get so expensive? It's like $100 and some. Donate it. So in the name of Reflectionz Detail, and we got Rich
Thank you, Reflectionz Detail, for your contributions for today, man. It's fantastic. Thanks for coming through. Awesome
you.
turnout.
So, where do we give these at? I don't know.
Here, you go right, grab them right here.
Oh, alright. Alright, y'all. So, this is not the last time you're going to see the KLUC Toydrive. So, today we joined Eurodaze and Malthouse Motorworks to donate these toys. And tomorrow, which is Monday, you're watching this Monday, but on Monday we're actually going to come and drop off our toys from the shop, so to the Toydrive. This man does this every year
at Toydrive, and this one has come gigantic. It is Eurodaze.
Your boy gets a little emotional.
To the best of my knowledge, that's what I think. I've only
You know, your boy gets a little emotional with this because, you know, we've all been there, we've all need help. And this is for such a great cause that he does this for 12 days. So, if you can donate, stop by, come by the shop, or I'm sorry, not by the shop anymore, come by and drop off a toy. So let me turn this around so we can get this going.